Welcome to Stock Market Media YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from this channel. In this video, we will see what will be the trend of the market in the upcoming week, the broader market view, and what will be the move in Nifty and Bank Nifty in the next coming week. So, the US markets were trading at on a positive note on the Friday, and the US markets closed on a positive note on Friday itself. So this is trigger the broader markets are positive, and there are chances that Nifty and Bank Nifty will also follow the same trend. Nifty is currently closed at 18,338 level, and it touched a level of 18,350. Whereas if we consider about Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is trading at 39,340 and it had touched 39,375 levels. So clearly, if we consider a psychological level, the next level for Bank Nifty will be 40,000. So 40,000 is not very far from Bank Nifty, and HDFC Bank has declared its result on Friday, and the bank had posted a positive result. There's a net profit rise of almost 18%. And let's have a look at the HDFC chart on Friday. On Friday, the HDFC Bank has clearly given a breakout from the trend line from its recent high of 1640 levels, and the stock has closed at around 1687 levels because the market were anticipating a uh, positive result. The stock has rallied and it had touched 1690 level, and at the closing it has closed 3 points below, and 1687 is the closing. Since HDFC is a major constituent in the Bank Nifty, we can consider the sector will be in positive trend because HDFC has posted a positive result. HDFC is holding a 28% constituency in the Bank Nifty. Therefore, we can expect the other banking stocks will also follow the same trend. Let's now move on to the Axis Bank. If you see clearly, Axis Bank has a recent high of 819.90. We can say 820 level is the recent high for Axis Bank, and currently the stock is trading at 802 level. So it is clearly forming a symmetrical triangle formation, and there's a breakout at 802 level. If the stock breaches 802 level, the psychologically it will also breach 820 level in upcoming week with a target of 830 to 835, which is almost 20 to 30 points from this level of 800, which is pretty good, a 5 to 6% gains in a week. Moving onwards to ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has been consolidating from September to this time in October, and it's been almost a healthy consolidation of 4 to 5 weeks, and the stock is trading between 727 to 690 levels. The stock has touched the 690 level and it's heading again to 735 levels. 735 is the recent high made by HDFC Bank, and stock is now trading at 727 level. If Bank Nifty moves towards 40,000 and somewhere around 40,200, definitely ICICI Bank and Axis Bank being the major constituents after HDFC Bank in the Bank Nifty, these stocks are also likely to go up for almost 4 to 5% from these levels. SBI. Let's have a look at the SBI stock. If you see clearly, there was a support that the SBI stock was retesting and going, and the stock is currently in uptrend. I had personally taken an entry at 470 level, and now the stock is closed at 490 level. Definitely, if Bank Nifty is going up, SBI as a member from the PSU sector will participate in the rally, and it can show you a level of 500, which will be the new high for SBI in this upcoming week. The another PSU stock that will be on my radar will be Federal Bank. I had already taken entry in Federal Bank at 88 levels and had exit the stock at 95 on the on the closing basis on Friday itself. If SBI is moving forward in the upward direction, definitely the other PSU stock like Federal Bank, which has already given a breakout at 88 levels, will show a further move and can go up to 98 and 100 in next coming week. If you see at the stock of Bank of Baroda, the recent high made by Bank of Baroda was 88.85 and we can consider 89. 89 is the trading zone now for Bank of Baroda, and stock is consolidating in the same range from last 4 to 5 days. So if the stock breaches 88 and 89 level with a strong volume over here, definitely you can see an up move and the stock can go up to a new high level of 95 to 96, which is again a 4 to 5% decent move in the uptrend from these levels. The only contradictory bank I found over here is Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank is now consolidating in the same range of 330 to 320 from last 5 days. If you see, the bank might be forming a cup and handle formation, which is a bullish pattern, and if the stock decisively crosses 340 level with strong volume, definitely it can show you a strong move of 4 to 5% along with other banks. Last but not the least, in this video we are going to discuss the IDFC First Bank. If you see, IDFC First Bank is clearly forming a cup and handle bullish pattern. It can also be seen as a symmetrical pattern, which is now trading at 49.40, and a breakout level will be of 50 and 51. If the stock decisively crosses this level with strong volume, definitely you can see a value of stock value of 54 to 55, and it can go up to 56, which is a strong consolidation range for this stock in the next upcoming week. So definitely we have seen that all the banks are trading at all-time high and are near to their all-time high, and definitely if Bank Nifty is going to cross 40,000, 40,000, 41,000 levels, banks will be in a sweet spot for the next week, and maybe if the rally continues without any correction, you can see the good trend in banks up to Diwali, which is the first week of November. So this is all for the banks in this video. If you have liked this, if you have liked the video, kindly subscribe the channel and consider hitting the notification bell. So have a nice day.